How to delete iCloud storage on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and now tap on your name on top of your screen and then tap on the iCloud option you see there. Further, in this particular interface, tap on the storage option on top of your screen. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all the applications along with the data that they have been using. So simply go ahead and tap on the application from where you want to free up storage. For instance, I will tap on the Viber option. You can then tap on the delete data from iCloud option you see there, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete and then tap on the permanently delete option. Once done, the data from that particular application will be completely deleted from your iPhone and iCloud storage. You can repeat the same process for other apps too from where you want to remove iCloud storage. So this was about how you can delete iCloud storage on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.